Okay, in example 4, we're going to have an x and a y in the inequality, or in this case, we're going to treat it like an equation. Should feel a little bit more normal as we put it on the coordinate plane. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write this corresponding equation. You can type this in here as in what's called slope-intercept form. Now, if you remember that, it looks a little bit like this. It's y equals mx plus b. So the m is the slope, the b is the y-intercept. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to treat this inequality 2x plus 3y is less than 6 as an equation. So right here we've taken this and we've put it down here to make it look like an equation. Now, to solve for y, you got to get rid of the negative 2x, or get rid of the 2x. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. By subtracting 2x here and subtracting 2x here, what you're left with is these cross off. 3y is left on the left side. Over here, we're going to rewrite this a little bit. We've got a negative 2x. We're going to put that first. And we're going to put the positive 6 second. So it looks like 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 6. You're going to divide by 3 here. You're going to divide by 3 here. And you're going to divide by 3 here. As long as we do that to every term, it's okay. We're dividing by 3. That keeps the equation equal. So what we're left with here, not much you can do with this. This is negative 2/3. Negative 2 over 3. X. And that's plus 6 over 3 is 2. So here's what we have. We have a graph of a line that has a slope of negative 2/3 and a y-intercept of 2. Since this inequality is less than, what we're going to do is we're going to be using a, and you can look back on the first page. This is going to mean a dashed line when we get done. So let's go ahead and draw this line. Here's what we know about this line. We have 2 points we can establish. We know that we've got a y-intercept of 2 from right here. Y-intercept of 2. So we're going to go right here and right at the y-axis where it's at 2. We know that's one of our points. Now the other point we know is going to be established by this slope. Since we know the slope is a negative 2 over 3, remember that slope is rise here over run. So we're going to rise, in this case it's fall, negative 2. So it goes down like this. And then it's going to run 3. So it's going to go over here. So our second point is right here. We got a 0, 2 point and we've got a 3, 0 point. We're going to take our straight edge and we are going to plot that line right there. Go ahead and do that. Now we have to remember something here. We've got a dashed line. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our eraser, or if you can do this without the eraser, even better. We're going to draw a dashed line. Make sure this is a dashed line here. We're saying that nothing on this line is going to be a solution.